Welcome to TrueCircles.net. We are here in Bhopal speaking to Mr. Parvez Alam. He is a practicing advocate in Bhopal District Court. Presently, he is representing a total of 30 persons who have been arrested in the name of SIMI. So what kind of challenges you are facing in representing them in the court?
The first of all, Unlawful Activities Act, Unlawful Prevention Activities Act 1967 is using by the government, state government, unlawfully. Because of the first of all, there should be sanction for the prosecution under section 45 of the said act. But the prosecution is failure to avail the sanction from the central government because of the section 42 of the said act says very clearly that there should be the power should be delegated to the state government, but only the power is delegated under section 7 and 8. But all these sections which is imposed by the state government and police against the accused person using by the state government Home Secretary. Home Secretary has no power to issue the sanction against any other section of the said act except only section 7 and 8. Okay.
So all the arrested persons, to 30 of them you are representing in the Bhopal District Court and got many other places in Madhya Pradesh. So all of them are being the member of SIMI or just they have been branded by the police?
They are branded of the police. They are not the member of the band organization. Only they are the Muslims and चूंकि वो मुसलमान हैं इसलिए उनके लिए जो है बस सिर्फ सिमी का मेंबर बता के इस तरीके से अरेस्ट किया गया है. उनका सिमी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से किसी भी तरीके के कोई ताल्लुकात नहीं है और सिमी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ही नहीं आज की तारीख में.
So what do you think were the prime reasons that police have targeted your clients?
Not my client. Client after the registering the case. Before the registration of case, I don't know who is that, who is the person there. But nowadays all the persons are my client. But all the clients are innocent, and in each and every case, more than 100 witnesses are in each and every case. Police wants that the trial will take the time and aggrieved persons, my client will live behind the bar.
All right. So you were saying that there were so many drawbacks in the police cases which they have made against your client. So can you tell us some of the points or drawbacks in the cases which police had made out?
Police has registered the case against the persons, against the accused persons under section 39, 30, 40, 38, 41, 42, section 10, 11, 13, all these sections imposed by the police, but police and ATS, both the agencies are working on the notes and gestures given by the state government. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के गेस्चर्स पर, इशारे पर ये पूरी ATS ये सब काम कर रहे हैं और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पावर्स को भी यूज कर रहे हैं और कोर्ट भी लिबरल एटीट्यूड नहीं अपना रही हैं. कोर्ट्स के लिए भी मैं निवेदन करूंगा, दिस इज माय हम्बल सबमिशन, दिस इज आई डू नॉट वांट कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट, बट आई वुड लाइक टू से कि कोर्ट शुड बी सिंसियर इन दीज केसेस. और ये भी कहूँगा कि कोर्ट को जो है ऐसे केसेस में जस्टिस करना चाहिए, ना कि फैसला करना चाहिए. फैसले में और इंसाफ में बहुत फ़र्क होता है, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि इन्हें जल्दी इंसाफ मिल जाएगा अगर इसी रफ्तार से केस चलते रहे, क्योंकि कई केसेस में 2-2 महीने हो गए चार्ज फ्रेम नहीं हुआ, कई केसेस में 2-2 महीने हो गए कॉग्निजेंस नहीं लिया गया, कई केसेस में अभी रिसेंट एक केस में मेरे CJM कोर्ट भोपाल ने 167(2) CRPC के एप्लीकेशन को 2 महीने 4 दिन बाद डिसाइड किया है आज, जबकि 167(2) सेम डे डिसाइड होना चाहिए. तो कोर्ट का रवैया भी ऐसे केसेस में मुझे ऐसा लगता है, ये मेरा अभिमत है, हो सकता है कोर्ट अपनी जगह सही हो, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोर्ट का रवैया भी ढुलमुल है थोड़ा सा.
All right. So you are saying that police and even the judiciary are having some type of prejudice against your clients and in Madhya Pradesh. So are you positive that your clients are going to win and you are going to win the cases and prove your clients innocent?
Yeah, I will prove after the collecting, after the evidence, after the final argument. I will prove. I will do better in favor of my client. But first of all, कि trial should be start there. अभी तक till now the trial is not started by the prosecution. एक साल हो गई मुलजिमों को जेल में, 2 साल हो गए मुलजिमों को जेल में, कोई 4 महीने से पड़ा है, कोई 8 महीने से पड़ा है. ट्रायल स्टार्ट नहीं हुई अभी तक, चार्ज फ्रेम नहीं हुए अभी तक. तो ऐसी सूरत में ट्रायल कब कंप्लीट होगी, कब हम इनोसेंट प्रूव करेंगे, आई डोंट नो दिस फैक्ट.
All right. Thank you for speaking to us.
ओके.